Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sweetest Beauty. If this is your first time of visiting this channel, please feel free to join the family by subscribing and hit the notification button so that you always be notified each time I upload a new video. On today's video, we are preparing fenugreek seed and aloe vera for hair growth. This fenugreek seed contains a lot of vitamins and minerals which are very helpful or beneficial to our hair. Fenugreek seeds are rich in folic acid, vitamin A, vitamin K, and vitamin C, and also contains minerals like potassium, calcium, and iron. Fenugreek seed is also used for these hair treatments which I displayed on the screen. Fenugreek seed not only kill the bacteria and fungi present on the scalp, but strengthen the hair follicles and promotes hair growth. To prepare this fenugreek and aloe vera seed, first get out the quantity of fenugreek that you need to use. Wash the fenugreek seed first and soak it with either boiled water or cold water for 24 hours. But in this video, I'm using boiled water and this water is hot. I decided to use hot water to soak my fenugreek seed for a day, but I end up leaving it for more than 24 hours. I left it for 2 days because I was busy. I couldn't make this video after 24 hours. So after you have added water in your container, close the container, the fenugreek seed, and keep it at the corner of your kitchen or wherever that you think that is safe. Just close it and keep it there for the fenugreek seed to soak the water. Then you can use it the next day to prepare the fenugreek and aloe vera hairspray for your hair. So this is the day 2 of the fenugreek seed. This is the day 2 that I soaked the fenugreek seed, and you can see that the color is a bit thick. Okay, so and today we are going to cut the aloe vera and prepare the way we're supposed to prepare it and mix it together with fenugreek. Aloe vera has enzymes that helps get rid of dead skin cells on the scalp. It moisturizes and helps in maintaining the pH balance, which results in hair growth. It prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff, and conditions your hair. Why I'm blending this aloe this way is because I don't want the aloe vera to be too watery. I needed it to still have this jelly texture. Another thing that I would like you to know is that fenugreek doesn't have that much funky smell, so you can leave it on your hair as long as you want before you wash it out. After you have added your aloe vera gel to the fenugreek seed water, and you need to add more water to the container to reduce the thickness, because by this time it will be a bit thick. Okay, and if you put it on your hair like that without reducing the thickness, it will be kind of gummy on your hair. So add more water to the mixture to reduce the thickness, then you are good to go. Shake it to make sure that you mix the fenugreek and the aloe vera gel very well. You can preserve this in your refrigerator for 2 weeks. Alright guys, it's time to spray the fenugreek aloe on my hair. Okay, and while spraying it on your hair, make sure that it touches your scalp, your whole hair. It touches your roots, because your hair grows out from the roots, and your scalp is the important place to spray this fenugreek aloe. Then after spraying it on your hair, you can leave it for few hours before you wash it out, or you can wash it out the next day. Remember to always feed your hair and keep it healthy. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY fenugreek and aloe vera spray. If you would like to try it, just check out any nearby store around you, and I hope you find fenugreek at the store close to you. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Stay safe and stay at home. See you on my next video. I love you all. Bye.